In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopify store to add images to your product collections. If you want to enhance the visual appeal of your online store, incorporating compelling images into your collections can be an effective way to draw in customers and boost engagement. Let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Shopify into your search bar and hit enter. Navigate to the Shopify website and log into your account using your credentials. If you're having trouble finding the login page, it's usually located in the top right corner of the website. Now that you're logged in and on your Shopify dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side of the page. This menu is your main navigation tool for managing your online store. Next, look down this menu and find the tab labeled Products. Click on it. This will direct you to the Product Management section of your Shopify store. Here, you can manage all aspects of your store's inventory. Now, within the Products section, you'll notice a subcategory called Collections. Click on Collections to proceed. Collections can be thought of as specific groups of products that you want to display together. They can help you organize your offerings in a way that makes sense for your customers. Once you're in the Collections area, you'll see a list of existing collections that have been created for your store. Take a moment to look through these and decide which one you'd like to customize with images. Then, click on that specific collection. Once inside the collection you've chosen, focus your attention on the Image section, typically located on the right side of the page. This section allows you to showcase visuals that represent the items in your collection, making them more appealing and easily identifiable for customers. Now comes the fun part, adding images to your collection. Look for the Add Image button, which should be clearly labeled in the Image section. Click on this button, and a new window or dialog box should appear, allowing you to search through your computer files to find images that you have prepared or want to upload. Choose a high-quality image that best represents your collection. Remember, an eye-catching image can significantly influence a customer's first impression, so choose wisely and align it with the theme or the products within your collection. Once you've selected and uploaded your image, double-check its positioning and how it looks in the preview. This is your chance to make any fine-tuning adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a new image to your product collection in your Shopify store, enhancing its visual appeal. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keeping your online store visually engaging is a key aspect of drawing in customers and encouraging them to explore your products further. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy selling!